To send a file on your iPad, open up the Gmail app. Once it's opened, tap on the Compose button at the bottom. Type in the email of the person that you want to send the email to. Don't forget your subject, and write your message. Once you're finished with your message, tap on the paperclip icon at the top. Tap OK. You will see your camera roll for all your pictures and your Google Drive as well. To add a picture, just tap on the picture and it will add it to the email. To delete the picture, tap on the picture and tap Remove. You can scroll through your Google Drive. If you don't see it, tap on the right arrow. It will open up all your photos. And from here, you can tap on whichever photo you want to add. You can also do the same with your Google Drive. Tap on the right arrow and it will open up your Google Drive. Find the file you want to add and tap. If you add a document, you will see the document link pop up on the email. When you're ready to send, tap on the blue arrow and you will see a sent message pop up at the bottom.